Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. Today's video is quite important because we are going to learn how to forecast figures by using GoalSeeker formula and where GoalSeeker formula stop working and what other function we can use to solve that problem. So stay around and let's dive in. In this example, the quantity sold and the price per unit. So to calculate the product income, so the quantity sold will be multiplied with the price per unit and it will calculate its income. So for example, if I want to see the income of 3000 and how many units do I need to sell, so I will use goal seeker formula. I click on this cell and then go to data. And on far right hand side, you can see what if analysis. Click node on the side and second one is goal seeker. Click this one. Very small window will pop up. Set value, which is the target cell, the cell where I want to see my target, which is this one, and the to value. So value is what value I want to see in this cell. If I want to see 3000 product income, I will type 3000 here by changing cell. This is the variable which the goal seeker will consider. So changing cell will be click on this one. I want to make some changes in quantity sold to achieve my 3000 product income target. Press enter. Now this goal seeker formula is good to go. And if I press OK, now it made the changes within the quantity sold and it helped me to achieve my product income target. It's telling me you need to sell 300 quantity to achieve the product income of 3000. So it's showing me target value. I can press OK to keep it, or I will cancel it to go back to the original values. Press OK. So it will basically take me to the next value. It will take me to the amended values. So let's little bit change this example and add some few fields in it. So here there is quantity sold, price per unit, product income, and then further cost per unit and total cost and net income. So what I want to see, if I want to see the net income of 3000 and if I want to make changes in quantity sold, and I also don't mind changing in price per unit and I also mind changing in cost per unit. So how can I do this? The goal seeker function won't help in this scenario because there are too many variables. It's only allowing one variable. So this is where solver function comes in. So I need to add the solver function by going to File and at the bottom Options, and second last option is Add in. At the bottom you can see Manage. I'll go, and the last one you can see Solver Add-in. So I take this one, press OK. Now the solver function has been added within data tool. You can see far right hand side there is a solver function. If I click this one, when you press solver, a window will pop up. Now it's asking the solver parameters. So set objective must my objective cell. This is my objective cell where I want to see the net income of 3000. Now it's asking me to max minimum value. I want the value of 3000, so I will define value here. This is the by changing variable set. This is the where it differentiate itself from the goal seeker function, where because I can define more than one cell as a variable here. So first I will click on this one, quantity sold cell. It will pick its reference number, then press comma. Second variable, I will see the price per unit. So this will pick its reference number as well, comma. Another variable I want to add cost per unit. I will click this one and it will pick its reference number. So these are the three variables which want solver to look into, make changes and achieve my net income target. Next one is subject to constraint. So although I define those variables, so I can define some constraint as well. Constraint could be like if I don't want to increase price above £12, so I can define that constraint. To add the constraint, I press add and a small window will pop up. What is the constraint cell? I'll click this arrow and press this one, press enter. what is the constraint? So it should be less than or equal to, and constraint is 12. What I want, the price per unit should not go above 12 pound. Press OK. Now this constraint has been added. I can add further constraint as well. Keep this option tick and select a solving method. So that's basically you choose the non-linear one, press solve, and now so it will make changes within those parameter, those variables to achieve my net income target. You can see quantity sold 298, price per unit 11.5, because I also define the constraint it can't go above 12 pounds, so it's kept under the 12 pound. Cost per unit, that makes changes as well, so you can keep the solver solution or you can restore original value. So I will keep the solver solution, press OK, and now so my forecasting figures have been changed. So this is how you can use the goal seeker formula where there's only one variable, and can use the solver function to take it to the next advanced level to define more than one variables. And hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know guys if this video is helpful. I will see you guys in next video.